Hi, Tia Lucy. Happy birthday po. More birthdays to come. At sana po lagi nyo alagaan yung sarili ninyo. Ngayon, lalo na kahit nag-iisa na kayo ngayon. Wala na si Tio. Single na kayo. Pwede na uling maghanap ng bagong tito.
Sabi ni Lola.
Sabi daw ng Lola. Oh.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Tia. Lagi po kayong mag-iingat. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Lucy. Ingat ka lagi. Miss you. Marami nakapuso dyan. Nandito. Si Kite. Hi. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday.
Nanay, happy birthday sa iyo. Sana bigyan ka ni Papa Jesus ng mahabang buhay. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Lola. I wish you good health and more birthday to comes you. Ingat palagi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nay. I love you.
Ingatan mo lagi ang sarili mo.
God bless. Day Lucy. Happy birthday, Lucy. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Mami, utot sulayo, Tik.
Happy birthday, Nay. Lagi ka mag-iingat. Kung papabaya sa sarili mo. God bless.
Happy birthday, Nanay. More birthdays come. Palagi ka mag-iingat. Huwag mong pabayaan ang sarili mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday.
Nay, happy birthday. Enjoy mo lang ang iyong kaarawan.
Birthday Nanay, alagaan mo lagi ang sarili mo dyan. Mag-iingat palagi.
Happy birthday to my beautiful mother. Ikaw yung the best na mother in the long life and happiness and more blessing to come